Good morning once again from Deadwood, South Dakota. Karl and I are here at the George S. Mickelson Trail, Trailhead. So this is a really famous hiking trail, walking trail, biking trail. It used to be a railroad, but now most of the railroad is gone, just a couple sections left, but it's still great for hiking and doing that sort of thing. So the whole trail is actually 109 miles long, but we're just going to do a short section of it today. We're just going to kind of walk for maybe, I don't know how long we're going to walk for. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll start my GPS.
Yeah.
I mean, the good thing about it being an old railroad too is presumably there won't be much incline or decline.
True.
Yeah.
I never thought of that.
It's a nice, chill one. There's cycling paths on it. Like, it looks like a pretty good trail.
Mm-hmm.
I'd love to do the 107 one day.
Yeah, same.
For sure.
But yeah, we'll just do a small sample of it today and see how it is. So this is the trail here. We are at number 1, so the first trailhead on the map.
Like, looking at the length of this, Hill City, so yeah, here we go, the Mount Rushmore. So that was like 70-mile drive yesterday, maybe even 80 miles.
Yeah.
It's a long way.
But this would be very scenic to do the whole thing.
Oh, through the Black Hills?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, let's start.
On this paved area, I figured they paved over the track.
Yeah.
But is this parallel to the track?
Yeah. I thought they would have been ripped up or something. That's how they change the tracks, right? So maybe there's more tracks under there.
Maybe there was. Maybe it is actually the track. But I know there's always one or two at the end of each station.
Yeah. Alright. Wow. Neat.
Pretty well developed, like, well lit. It's spacious. It's well maintained.
After the first 30 seconds of the walk.
It's definitely like this for the whole thing. I don't know, it's not poisonous.
I don't know what kind of snake it is, actually.
It's gonna eat you.
He is.
No,
Why is he getting so close? Does he want water or something?
I'll try to get some water.
Maybe. There's tons of water around here. There's the river right there. Go on there, Mr. Snakey. He's friendly.
Sammy.
That's a big one. I don't know what that is.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
We saw this big complex over here and we're wondering what it was. And apparently it's a mine. It was a gold mine from 1876 to 2001. It's a research facility now. Interesting. We've got some pieces of the old trestle bridge here from the original railroad.
Cool.
We've actually been seeing a lot of the railroad track along the trail, so we've realized that the track hasn't actually been taken out. It's just been like covered over with this trail. All right, we're back at the mile 0 where we first started. We went about 6 kilometers, I think about 4 miles is what we actually did. And then we turned around. So in total it took us about 3 hours. Beautiful walk. I wish we were able to, you know, see a little bit more of it, but a time crunch, you know. Beautiful scenery, lots of points of interest along the way, lots of historical remains of the mining stuff, so it's pretty cool.
Lots of old factories, nice stream. Yeah, just a nice walk. It's nice to do a loop.
Yeah, it is nice to do a loop.
100 miles.
Yeah, not really an option, but great nature walk. Loved it.